So we've got a hands-on video review of the Pixel 9 Pro XL even before Google has a chance to talk about the handset. What's up guys, Sal here. So a Ukrainian YouTuber has managed to get their hands on a Pixel 9 Pro XL and has given us a full 20-minute tour. It offers an excellent overview of the phone's design. The phone is shown in various angles, both on its own and compared to other flagship devices like the Pixel 8 Pro and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. When it comes to the size, the phone is right in between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the S24 Ultra. It's a bit taller than the iPhone, but noticeably smaller than the Galaxy. He didn't turn it on, possibly because it can't boot into Android yet or isn't fully functional. Google might have blocked that, so we're still in the dark about the display, camera performance, and any new software features. But hey, that's what the official launch event is for. By the way, this cool geometric pattern beneath the G logo on the back, it won't be in the final retail product. Google's prototypes usually have the sign to indicate they are not final versions. All in all, the Pixel 9 Pro XL looks really good. I have no complaints with its design, well, except maybe for that huge camera bump. Moving on, official marketing material of the Pixel 9 lineup has been leaked, revealing everything about the phones, including some new software features. In addition to Google's Gemini AI assistant and Circle to Search, the Pixel 9 lineup will come with a capability that lets you search your screenshots. Imagine this. You've taken a screenshot of a restaurant menu or a cool event flyer, but can't remember where it is. With Pixel screenshots, you can simply search for keywords like restaurant or event, and the phone will pull up the relevant screenshot. No more digging through folders. Google's example here uses the prompt, "What was the gift idea for Taylor?" with the result of a geometric squirrel figurine. Google is also showcasing some important safety features. We'll see emergency SOS for those critical situations, crisis alerts for nearby emergencies like fires or floods, and enhanced protection from phishing, scams, and malware. Remember that AI-powered feature in Android that was supposed to detect scam calls? It looks like it might be making its debut here with the Pixel 9. And then there's Gemini, Google's super-powered AI assistant. Leaked demos show Gemini in action using a picture of a refrigerator full of ingredients and the question, how can I make a burger with these ingredients? This is just a glimpse of what Gemini can do, and guess what? You'll get a free year of the advanced version included with your Pixel 9 Pro XL. There's no surprises in what you get inside the phone's box. The materials further confirm that Pixel 9 series will get 7 years of updates and pixel drops in what appears to be revised branding for feature drops. Google also describes Tensor G4 as game-changing. We'll have to wait and see about that. Of course, do subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.